Delmy and I work for Contact International. We are one of the largest importers for drum-related products in the United States. We supply drum closures for steel drums. Today I want to demonstrate how to crimp a 2-inch metal cap seal on a 55-gallon drum to secure the contents inside. Crimping the cap seal helps prevent leakage and tampering to ensure product safety. It is very important to make sure you have the right Tite Seal tool for the right Tite Seal cap. Please watch as we demonstrate. Terry, would you help me? There you have it. Now everyone should know how to crimp a 2-inch metal cap seal on a 55-gallon steel drum. Please stay tuned for more information on nylon plugs, plastic cap seals, and snap-on cap seals. See you later!